Coming up on Dana Point here. Look at that. Got a couple of bikers over here. Looks like they've been working out. What do you think, buddy? You like the ocean? Doesn't get much better than this. Pretty beautiful, Cade. They got these really old ships, some of the kind of replicas of the original ships that came through this area when they first discovered Dana Point. Here's one of them right here. What do you think, Cade? It says here, this plaque commemorates the 150th anniversary of the visit to the anchoring cove by author Richard Henry Dana. He arrived in 1835 aboard the brig Pilgrim, which traded New England goods to Mission San Juan Capistrano and area ranchos for cowhide tossed from these cliffs. And here is the replica of the Pilgrim. Look at that thing. Now that's a ship. That's an old one. Do you see it? You see the big ship? Look at that house up there, Cade.